Hi guys, for this video guys, kakain na kami guys. Luto na guys. Ito na guys, oh.
Oh my God.
Sarap to guys. Oh. Luto na. Sarap to guys, oh. May itlog guys, oh. Itlog, tapos kalabasa guys. Ano guys, practice lang to guys. Hindi naman to master guys. Pero para makakakain lang guys. Oh, ito guys. At meron din kaming ano guys, boiled egg. Guys, nilagang itlog. Nilagang itlog guys, oh. Sarap din to guys. Ay guys, tikman natin. Tikman natin yung may kalabasa guys. Ito guys, oh. Tikman natin ha. Sarap. Ito guys, oh. Sarap guys. Kasama ko guys, yung pamangkin ko.
Hi guys.
Kumain siya ng nilagang itlog guys. Ito guys, oh. Okay guys. Sarap guys. Masarap ang ulam namin ngayon guys. Ito guys, oh.
Simple lang
May
guys.
vitamins guys.
Simple lang guys.
Okay guys.